Regarding the issue naman po tungkol dun sa si Senator Cayetano po kasi he has filed a resolution urging the Senate to call on the government to pursue the interim release of former President Rodrigo Duterte, including negotiations with the International Criminal Court for his possible house arrest. I understand you have no control over ICC, but yung sinasabi po niya na the possibility of negotiations with the International Criminal Court or a similar arrangement at the Philippine Embassy in The Hague, Netherlands, yung parang possible house arrest in The Hague, Netherlands Embassy. Does Malacanang intend to study, just study, and act on this resolution?
Nagsalita na po ang ating SOJ Boying Rimulya patungkol po sa interim release. At kung may ganyan pong mga suggestion mula kay Senator Alan Cayetano, noted.
Hahayaan na lang po ang Department of Justice to do its work. Hindi na po makikialam ang Malacanang on this matter.
Sa mabibigay ko lang po ngayon, noted.
Thank you, ma'am.